Welcome back to Travel Partner. Today, we're exploring the stunning Santorini without breaking the bank. Think those blue domes and dramatic cliffs are out of reach? Think again. I'll show you how to experience Santorini's magic for under 220 euros in just 3 days. From sun-soaked streets to volcanic beaches and rich history, we've got wallet-friendly tips for every traveler. Let's dive in and make your Santorini dreams a reality. Our adventure begins in Fira, Santorini's lively capital, perched high above the sparkling Aegean Sea. This is the beating heart of the island, where whitewashed buildings cling to the cliffs and winding streets are alive with energy from morning until night. Wander the narrow, whitewashed streets. Walking is free and the views are priceless. Every corner reveals a new postcard-perfect scene, from vibrant bougainvillea draping over doorways to glimpses of the deep blue caldera below. Start early to catch the golden light and avoid crowds. In the quiet of the morning, you'll have the cobblestone lanes almost to yourself, and the soft sunlight makes the white buildings glow with a magical warmth. Follow the cliffside path for breathtaking caldera views. The dramatic drop to the sea and the volcanic islands in the distance create a panorama you'll never forget. Perfect for photos or just soaking in the moment. Up for a challenge? Hike the Fira to Oia trail, 10 kilometers of epic scenery, passing villages like Stefani and Emerovigli. This iconic walk is a must for adventurers, offering ever-changing views of the caldera, charming chapels, and quiet moments away from the crowds. Bring water, sunscreen, and snacks for a zero-cost adventure. The sun can be intense, and there are few shops along the way, so pack what you need and enjoy the freedom of exploring at your own pace. Take a break in Emerovigli, grab a coffee from a local bakery, and soak in the views. This peaceful village is the perfect spot to rest your legs and enjoy a moment of tranquility with a pastry or a strong Greek coffee. Not a hiker? The local bus from Fira to Oia costs just a couple of euros and gets you there in 20 minutes. It's a comfortable, budget-friendly way to travel, and you'll get to see the island's countryside roll by from your window. Oia's blue-domed churches and sunset views are iconic. Skip the pricey cruises and head to the old castle ruins for a free, unforgettable sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky explodes in color, and the whole village glows in golden light. Bring a light jacket for the evening breeze. Even after a warm day, the wind can pick up as night falls, so you'll be glad you came prepared. For food, avoid touristy spots. Find gyros stands or small tavernas on side streets for authentic, budget-friendly eats. These hidden gems serve up delicious Greek classics, from souvlaki to fresh salads, at a fraction of the price you'll pay on the main squares. Don't miss a sweet treat from a local bakery. Baklava or loukoumades are delicious and cheap. Indulge your sweet tooth with flaky pastries dripping in honey or warm, doughy bites dusted with cinnamon. Enjoy street musicians and artists as you explore, no ticket required. The sounds of live music and the sight of painters capturing Santorini's beauty add to the island's magical atmosphere. Snap photos in the soft evening light as the crowds thin out. This is the perfect time to capture Santorini's charm without the rush, and every photo will be a memory to treasure. Wrap up day one by catching the bus back to Fira, or, if you're feeling adventurous, hike back under the stars. The island takes on a peaceful, almost mystical quality at night, and the twinkling lights along the caldera make for a magical journey home. Exploring Santorini doesn't require expensive tours. Sometimes the best moments are free. Whether it's sharing a laugh with friends, watching the sunset, or simply wandering the streets, these are the memories that will stay with you. Get a good night's rest. Tomorrow, we hit the beach. Santorini's magic is just beginning, and there's so much more to discover on this unforgettable island adventure. Today's all about sun, sand, and saving money. Santorini might be famous for its luxury, but you don't need a big budget to have an unforgettable day here. With a little planning, you can soak up the best of the island's beaches and local flavors without breaking the bank. Start your adventure by hopping on the local bus from Fira to Parissa or Kamari Beach. The buses are reliable, run frequently, and cost just a few euros, making them the perfect choice for budget travelers. Plus, you'll get to see charming villages and stunning views along the way. Parissa's unique black sand and crystal clear water are free to enjoy. Bring your own towel to save money, or rent a sunbed if you want a little extra comfort for just a few euros. The volcanic sand gets warm underfoot, so don't forget your flip-flops. Spend your morning swimming, relaxing, and soaking up the laid-back vibe. Whether you're reading a book, listening to music, or just people watching, the beach is the perfect place to unwind and recharge. To keep lunch costs low, pack a picnic with fresh bread, cheese, and fruit from a local supermarket. Not only is it affordable, but you'll also get to enjoy your meal right on the sand with a view of the sea. If you're feeling adventurous, try some local olives or pastries for a true taste of Greece. For a more authentic lunch, stop by a local cantina and order tirapita, a flaky cheese pie, or dakos, a Cretan salad with tomatoes and barley rusk. These street food classics are both delicious and easy on the wallet, giving you a real taste of Santorini's culinary scene. After lunch, hop over to Kamari Beach for a change of scenery. Kamari is livelier, with a bustling promenade, more shops, and plenty of people-watching opportunities. It's a great spot to stroll, grab a coffee, or just take in the vibrant atmosphere. Both Parissa and Kamari are perfect for a full day of sun and sea. Remember to reapply sunscreen throughout the day, especially if you're swimming or spending hours under the Mediterranean sun. Stay hydrated and take breaks in the shade to keep your energy up. If you're craving a little adventure, rent a paddleboard or kayak and split the cost with friends. It's a fun, budget-friendly way to explore the coastline, get some exercise, and maybe even discover a hidden cove or two. When you need a snack, grab a kuluri, a sesame bread ring, or some fresh fruit from a beachside stall. These local treats are cheap, tasty, and perfect for keeping your energy up between swims. As the sun begins to set, take a stroll along the promenade. The evening light turns the coastline golden, and the atmosphere becomes truly magical. It's the perfect way to wind down after a day in the sun. If you're in the mood for a drink, look out for happy hour specials at beach bars. You can enjoy a cold beer or a cocktail with a view, all without overspending. It's a great way to toast to a day well spent. Before heading back, browse the local shops for handmade souvenirs. You'll often find better prices and more unique gifts here than in the main tourist areas. Think hand-painted ceramics, olive oil soaps, or locally made jewelry. When you're ready to call it a day, catch the last bus back to Fira. If you're hungry, grab a quick gyros from a takeaway spot. Delicious, filling, and the perfect end to a budget-friendly beach day. You don't need a fancy resort to enjoy Santorini. With local buses, street food, and a little planning, you can have the ultimate beach day, full of sun, adventure, and authentic local experiences. Rest up and recharge. Tomorrow, we'll dive into Santorini's rich history and hunt for the perfect souvenir to remember your trip. On our final day in Santorini, let's dive into the island's rich history and vibrant culture without breaking the bank. Santorini isn't just about breathtaking views. It's a place where ancient stories and modern life blend seamlessly, offering something for every traveler, even those on a budget. Begin your day at the legendary Akrotiri archaeological site. For about 12 euros, you'll step back in time to a city frozen by volcanic ash nearly 4,000 years ago. The entry fee is modest compared to the incredible experience of wandering through ancient streets and seeing remarkably preserved frescoes and pottery. Take your time exploring the ruins. There's no need for a pricey guided tour. The informative boards throughout the site tell the story of Akrotiri's people, their homes, and their daily lives. It's like walking through a living museum, and you can set your own pace, soaking in the history at every turn. After Akrotiri, make your way to the Archaeological Museum in Fira. For just a few euros more, you'll discover a treasure trove of artifacts, pottery, sculptures, and jewelry that bring Santorini's ancient civilizations to life. The museum is compact but packed with fascinating finds, making it a perfect stop for history buffs and curious travelers alike. When hunger strikes, skip the touristy spots and seek out a cozy taverna tucked away from the main streets. Look for chalkboard menus advertising daily specials. Dishes like veggie moussaka, fava, or stuffed tomatoes are not only delicious, but also budget-friendly. Eating where the locals eat is the best way to experience authentic Greek flavors without overspending. Ready for some souvenir shopping? Instead of splurging at high-end boutiques, wander through the lively local markets. Here, you'll find unique gifts like handmade olive oil soaps, colorful ceramics, and the iconic evil eye charms. These treasures are not only affordable, but also carry a piece of Santorini's spirit home with you. Don't forget to support local artists. Near Fira's main square, you'll find stalls where talented creators sell original prints, handcrafted jewelry, and paintings inspired by the island's beauty. Buying directly from artists means your souvenir is truly one of a kind, and you're helping keep Santorini's creative community thriving. Take a break and treat yourself to a traditional Greek coffee. Order at the counter for the best prices, and either sip it slowly at a cafe with a caldera view, or take it to go as you continue exploring. The rich, bold flavor is a must-try, and enjoying it with a view makes for a perfect Santorini moment. As evening approaches, it's time for one of Santorini's most magical experiences, sunset. Skip the crowded bars and head to Scaros Rock or the viewpoint above Fira. Both spots are completely free and offer panoramic views as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in brilliant shades of pink, orange, and gold. For an extra special touch, pick up some snacks or a bottle of local wine from a market and have your own sunset picnic. There's nothing quite like sharing a simple meal with friends or loved ones while watching the Aegean Sea shimmer in the fading light. As the sky transforms into a canvas of color, take a moment to reflect on your journey. The beauty of Santorini isn't just in its landscapes, but in the memories you've made and the stories you'll carry home. Remember, Santorini's true magic lies in its stunning views, warm-hearted people, mouth-watering food, and fascinating history, not just in its luxury resorts or expensive restaurants. Before you leave, wander the winding streets one last time. Grab a final gelato from a local shop, snap a few more photos of the blue-domed churches and whitewashed alleys, and let the island's charm sink in. With a bit of smart planning, an open mind, and a sense of adventure, Santorini is truly accessible to everyone, no matter your budget. The best experiences here are often the simplest ones. I hope these tips inspire you to visit Santorini and discover for yourself just how magical and surprisingly affordable this island can be. Your adventure awaits. Thanks for joining me on this budget-friendly Santorini adventure. From epic walks to volcanic beaches and vibrant markets, Santorini has something for everyone. If you loved these tips, subscribe to Travel Partner for more affordable adventures. Drop a comment below with your dream destinations or budget travel stories. Until next time, keep exploring. Adventure is always within reach.